Hello kids, we are learning tools and equipment. Tools box, tools box, screwdriver, screwdriver, nails, nails, screw, screw, anvil, anvil, pickaxe, pickaxe, scratch all, scratch all, wrench, wrench, spanner, spanner, pipe cutter, pipe cutter, pipe wrench, pipe wrench, hacksaw, hacksaw, handsaw, handsaw, hammer, hammer, mallet, mallet, cutting plier, cutting plier, chisel, chisel, tape measure, tape measure, electrical drill, electrical drill, sandpaper, sandpaper, needle nose plier, needle nose plier, solder iron, solder iron, scraper, scraper, glue, glue, vise, vise, scissor, scissor, electrical wire, electric wire, ladder, ladder, pocket knife, pocket knife, wood planner, wood planner, chainsaw, chainsaw, utility knife, utility knife, spads, spads, tester, tester, file, file, fork, fork,